We're Sarah and Kate, and this is everything we did on our week aboard P&O's IONA visiting Stavanger, Ålesund, Olden and Haugesund for our first Norwegian Fjords cruise. Port days are very busy and a lot of people want to get up early to make the most of their time on shore. As we didn't have any excursions booked while in Stavanger, we had a leisurely breakfast in the main dining room and waited for things to calm before heading down to deck 3 to leave the ship. We took our time exploring the old town, old wooden houses and cobbled streets. It was very picturesque and everyone was very friendly. On port days, we'd recommend bringing along a backpack to carry any purchases you make on shore, as well as any drinks and snacks you want to take with you while exploring, so you can get the souvenirs or sweet treats you really want, rather than paying for an expensive packet of crisps to tide you over till lunch or dinner. Now, while there are plenty of excursions to book for this port, once we were off the ship, there were lots of options which didn't require pre-booking, like an open-top bus tour, which a lot of people joined. There were also rib boat tours, speedboats where you zip through the fjords, and some other slower, more relaxed rides that you could pay for on arrival. Exploring the market, we found plenty of souvenirs and enjoyed a walk around the lake. We explored the port, shops, cafes, and had a drink in one of the bars, which was, as expected, on the expensive side, paying around £20 for 2 pints. At 2 p.m, we boarded the ship to get something more to eat and drink. And as everyone was enjoying the port, the ship was very quiet, so spent some time in the hot tub and enjoyed the view. Our first entertainment we booked at the Headliners Theatre was to see Lloyd, a vocalist and coach to the stars. He was fantastic and we really loved the show. Dinner was at Sindhu. Our table was quite late at 8:15, and if you take one thing away from this video, it should be that Sindhu is worth it. It's a fine dining modern Indian style restaurant that we pre-booked before boarding. We shared 3 starters and then had a main and dessert each. Of course, Sarah had elements of trifle which she'd been thinking about ever since she had it the first time. Although we finished quite late, after dinner it was still very light, so we went up to the promenade deck for a little walk and to watch the sunset. If you've got any questions, leave us a comment below and like and subscribe for more videos like this.